little super body is tired from all this flying. Big Bird, where are you? Wait! Oh, I see a yellow something over there. Birdie, I am coming!
If you've got to eat, go eat Olivia's luggage.
Oh, thank you.
Gordon?
What?
What is that?
What? Super Grover! Toon the rescue!
Gordon, do something!
What?
What's happening?
What? Big Bird, I found you! Big Bird! Big... This is not Big Bird. You are imposters!
Grover?
Super Grover, please. When's lunch? Ha 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 ha.
Oh, wow.
Big yellow bird at 1 o'clock.
Is that late already?
That's Air Force talk, you nerf. Now come on, let's bag that bird.
My egg feet. Well, I think I'll go rest under that tree.
I can't believe it. He's gone.
How could you miss him? He's 8 feet tall.
You were going too fast. Sid, don't shout at me. You were going too fast. Okay, we don't get mad. We just start all over. Now let's get going!
Oscar, I told you to stop this car. Okay, that's it. Stop this car right now. We aren't anywhere near Toadstool.
Yeah, but this is where I want to be. Roach Paradise. Look at it. It's like a work of art.
It is different, Maria.
Oscar, I want you to turn this heap around and head for Toadstool.
Ah, an angry face in a beautiful place. Heaven.
Hey, looks like everyone's getting closer and closer to Toadstool.
You did it, Oscar.
Gee, I must have taken a wrong turn.
Toadstool. Sounds like another town full of suckers. Let's set up here.
What about the bird?
Don't worry about the bird. I got a feeling he's gonna pop up right under our noses.